The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Schofields. First stop Toongabbie, then Seven Hills, Blacktown, Marryong, Quakers Hill and Schofields.
Good afternoon, customers. Your next service to depart from platform 2 will be the 12:47 Sunbury, stopping all stations to Sunbury. Your next service to depart from platform 2 will be the 12:47 Sunbury, stopping all stations to Sunbury. And always remember to touch on your Nike at the start of your journey.
The Gold Coast train stopping all stations will arrive on platform 1 in approximately 2 minutes. Please wait behind the yellow safety line until the train has stopped.
Butler passengers, your next service departs in 2 minutes. The train stops all stations.
The next train to depart from platform 1 is the 9:34 train to Adelaide. First stop Mitchell Park, then Woodlands Park, Edwardstown, Emerson, Clarence Park, Goodwood, Adelaide Showground, Mile End, then Adelaide.
This train will stop at Stratford, Lincoln, Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown.
Welcome to Metro. This is a service to Williamstown, stopping all stations.
This is a Beenleigh train, stopping all stations.
This train runs from Thornley to Perth, stopping at Cannington, then all stations to Perth.
Welcome aboard. This is a train service to Outer Harbour.
Next stop, Lincoln.
The next station is Carnegie.
The next station is Kingston.
Next station, Kelmscott.
The next stop is St Clair. Please mind the gap.
This train will stop at Lincoln.
Now arriving at Carnegie.
Now arriving at Roma Street Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark.
Next station, Seaport.
Now arriving at St Clair. Please mind the gap.
This station is Wingham.
Carnegie.
Roma Street Station. Mind the gap.
This is Kelmscott.
St Clair. Please mind the gap.
Next stop, Town Hall. Change at Town Hall for T4 Eastern Suburbs, Illawarra, Cronulla and light rail services.
Now arriving at North Melbourne. Change here for Upfield and Craigieburn services.
The next station is Park Road. Customers for the Cleveland line, please change trains at Park Road.
Next station, Cannington. Change at Cannington for all stations Beckenham to Armadale.
The next stop is Woodville. Change here for trains to Grange. Please mind the gap.
This station is Parramatta. This train terminates here.
Now arriving at Sunbury. This train will be terminating at Sunbury.
Now arriving at Beenleigh Station. This train terminates here. All customers, please exit the train.
Next station, Armadale, where this service terminates.
The next stop is Grange. This train will terminate here.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Doors closing.
Stand clear. Doors closing.
Thank you for travelling by train.